Hi guys, this is Alan from Hirose Financial. So today I'm not gonna trade, but I will talk about a important news that is gonna release later today, and that is the American non-farm payroll, which is also called the NFP report. Alright, so first, what is the non-farm payroll? The non-farm payroll is actually a key economic indicator for the United States economy. Well, basically it shows the job added excluding farm employees, government employees, private household employees, and the employees of non-profit organizations. Next, we will take a look at a few key points of the NFP report and why you should trade with it. First, the non-farm payroll report actually creates a strong movement in the forex market. Second, the NFP report measures net changes in employment jobs. The last is that understanding this report can help traders to take advantage of unexpected changes in the market. Next, we will take a look at how does this report affects the forex market. Well, I can spend hours on explaining what is the NFP report, but simply put, to understand it is quite simple. Basically, a good number is good for the economy and a bad number is bad for the economy. Alright, so what is a good number and what is a bad number for the NFP report? So as I said just now, a high payroll figure is good for the US economy. This is because more job added in the country help the economy to grow. This is because consumers who have both money and a job tend to spend more, and that leads to a growth in the economy. Alright, so what is a higher payroll figure stands for? So most of the forex trader will look for a positive addition of at least 100,000 jobs per month. Well, any release above, let's say 200,000 will help the US dollar to gain, and above expected release will have the same effect. Well, we will take a look at what is the actual number and expected number later. For now, let's move on to the lower payroll figure. Well, a lower payroll figure is bad for the US economy, just like any other economic report. So if the NFP report shows a decline below 100,000 jobs or lower than expected, then we can consider that the US dollar is not going to grow. So yep, pretty simple. So a higher payroll figure is good for the US economy, and a lower payroll figure is bad for the US economy. Alright, so now let's take a look at how do we actually find out the numbers for the non-farm payroll report. Well, the tool that I normally use is the economic calendar. Well, I guess you can find a lot of those online, but I will just show you the one that I normally use. Well, the one I normally use is actually the forexstreet.com. So you can just search it on Google Forex Street and it will bring you to this page. And then just go to economic calendar, click on economic calendar. And yep, it shows you. It will show you all the news that is gonna happen here today, and well, tomorrow, the day after. Then you just need to look for the one that is happening today. And on top here, you can actually change the time zone. Just depends on where you live. You can change the time here. For now, I will set it to GMT. Well, so now if you scroll down a bit, you will see here. The non-farm payroll, which is happening at 12:30 GMT. So well, at here we see a few numbers. Alright, so the one on the left says consensus number, so which is the expected number for this month. And then right next to it we see the previous result. And then when the report is released at 12:30, the actual result will be shown here. Well, at the moment we see the decline here now is a lot more than the previous month. So we will see the actual result at 12:30 and compare with the expected number. But more or less, I guess the US dollar is gonna go down anyhow. Alright, so today at 12:30, take a look at the actual result and then jump straight into the market and look for the US pair to trade with. Well, a lot of people actually ask me what strategy to trade with the NFP report, but I would say any trend following strategy will do the job. As long as you can define the trend, you are in advantage. Again, this afternoon, 12:30, take a look at the actual result of the Nonfarm payroll report, and then go straight into the market to look for the US pairs to trade with. Right, so I guess that's it for today, and happy Friday and have a nice weekend. Bye.